to enter the danger zone. Now, ladies and gentlemen, at this point...
No, you're not here, so you have
Lala. No, apa kalau dia? Be careful, be careful, be careful. No, let's go. Yeah. Let's go beri 5 minit mas time sitting like. Keep moving. Yeah. Keep moving. Hi, how are you? Yonjan, Y-O-N.
You're going to be on the right side in the second row, and then one person in the third.
Oh, sure. Okay, thank you. Be careful. Okay. 2C. Okay, दुईजना यहाँ बस्छ म एकजना पछाडि बस्नुपर्छ क्या हुँदैन कहाँ हुन्छ यहाँ हाम्रो नम्बर यो
You have on, sir. On a Yankee hat. Oh, good. Okay, that's all right. That's doable. Now, I have one child here. Do I have any more children? Any more children? Oh, no, sir. You shave. You're not a child. In the back. I got another kid in the back. Is there someone over here, too? Excellent. Children, great. Put your hands up high so I can see you, children. Excellent. Thank you very much. Excellent, children. Now, there's no school today. No school today, right? No? Okay, so the people that bought your tickets for you, did they tell you that this was a boat ride, children? Yeah, they did, didn't they? Yes, that's called a scam, child. This is a history tour. Good one, parents. Good one. A history tour on a day off. Can you believe it? But we're going to have some fun. History is going to be fun. We're going to have some... Oh, what is it? Oh, yeah. Oh, Yankee buses. Oh, they're all over. Oh, I feel... Oh. Oh. It's so embarrassing. Yankee buses. All right, right here beside us on the left-hand side, we have a beautiful building that at one time was a museum. No longer a museum, it's now a retail store. Look inside there, look at those chandeliers. That's a hardware store, folks. It is not a Home Depot, it is not a Lowe's. We call that Restoration Hardware. Now, beside us right here on the right-hand side, Boston Common, common land for the common man. As a matter of fact, this is where the British troops set up their tents, their encampment. One if by land, two if by... Charles read about the poem was a scam too, don't worry about it, okay? It was kind of messed up. But beside us right here on the right-hand side, Boston Common, common land for the common man. As a matter of fact, this is where the British troops set up their tents, their encampment. One if by land, two if by... Charles read about the poem was a scam too, don't worry about it, okay? It was kind of messed up. Some noise, make some noise, hands up, come on, do it! Come on, feel it! Yeah, baby! Excellent, thank you, Donna. Are you guys all good to go in the water? Give me a thumbs up if you are good to go in the water. Yep. These guys are athletes. They're incredible. Look at the kid over there. Sometimes we see little ones, like a year old, on the scooters. No lie. The little ones are really awesome to watch. They actually have that plastic thing on their head. What's that called? Oh yeah, helmet. Right, that's right. It's called. All right. Oh, we got a duck coming up beside us. Get ready to make their ears bleed. Remember? Quack, quack. You remember, right? Loud applause, my friends. We can do it! This job was amazing. All right. So we're coming up to the top of the ramp. If you are videotaping, get your cameras going right now, right now, right now, right now, right now. Because when we go to the top of the ramp, we're going to go right in the water. You have about 3 seconds to get your cameras rolling. We're going to go to the top of the ramp. My girl Donna is looking to make sure that there are no other boats coming out of the water. Donna's going to put the duck in low gear. She's then going to pull up on the propeller, and we are going in. Those that are not making videos, you can make some noise. Here we go, a lot of proud. Smooth as can be. Just like that, the truck is a duck. There is a duck on the ramp right behind us. They will be going in after us. We're not going to be able to see them plunge in though, because we're going to have to be through this opening before they come into the water. It's pretty cool though. Tires touching the ramp right now, followed by the rear tires touching the ramp right now. Awesome. Turn off the propeller at the top of the hill, take us out of 6-row glide, put it back in the go again. My girl, Donna. All right, let's go. What do we got here? Oh, let's put you on. We can do it! Nice job. Oh, maestro. We can do it! One more. We can do it! Show me your towel! I gave him a Bruins towel today. He's the chef. He likes to have a napkin on his arm.
Okay.
Sida baat.
Oh.
Dog tour. How is it? Good, Chara?
Yeah.
I don't like it.
Bruh, look at this dude.
नेपाली बोल नेपालीमा कहाँ घुमाएको
Bro, girls always like Starbucks. Hello, Cabo.
Yeah.
We're in Boston, and next we're going to get some food, and after we're gonna go to our hotel, and tomorrow morning we're gonna go hiking in Mountain Washington,
Yeah, that's on New Hampshire.
New Hampshire.
Yeah. Oh, shut up.
3, 2, into the danger zone. Now, ladies and gentlemen, at this point, you may well be thinking that this rope is not very high off the ground. Well, listen, in every
No, it's okay.
single instance of somebody dying from falling off a tightrope, it's never been the height that killed them, always the ground. Let's have a big cheer now.
He's climbing.
Going backwards in 7,
Careful, it's
2,
Careful.
and then have to do the 3. Roll, run.
I don't care.
Love that little beardy thing you're trying to grow. You're gonna get... Keep clapping. Keep clapping.
Neon.
The exit to the show is through here. If you haven't got real money, don't forget we have a digital option over here. I was going on to the movie guys. You may rush.
We need to find it.
Thank you guys for coming over here. Oh, you see the show coming play the monkey. They know.
Yes or no?
Sorry.
Yes.
Sorry. Yeah, let's see, okay? Hold on. Cool, right? Here, now we go. You did it? यतै बढ्छ
बाहिर दोकानहरू छ
ल ल ल लेट्स गो Then this way. We are dogs. ढोका कि होइन रहेछ ढोका होइन एकछिन म यहाँ
Rubbish. Ball goes back to the middle. Wow, you guys give me one more big cheer.
ल भयो छोरा लेट्स गो
You do it.
ल ल बाई बाई अगाडि पछाडि पार्किङ गरेर आउँछ नि अगाडि ए राम्रो हो किनकि त अलिकति बाटोमा चाहिँ झायो होइन त्यही भएर राम्रै हो